Well, welcome back, my friends. Okay, Christmas is sneaking up upon us really fast. Okay, just because you can't see something doesn't mean it doesn't exist, like Santa Claus, or, it's true about the wind. Santa, obviously, and your home equity. And while you may not see that the money is there while you're living in your home, it's there. Trust me, it's there. And thank goodness Kamala didn't get in because she'd want to tax you on that. It's wild. Like, all you have to do is live in your home and make money. Okay, one way I help people in and around Central Ohio realize that this is by running a free, my brain's going crazy, a free market analysis on their home to show them the range of what they could expect if they were to list their home today. Now, seeing this on paper or an email really brings it to life, and it seems to always blow people away when they realize that all they did was buy a home years ago, and the next thing they know, they're sitting on some equity. Now, if you don't believe in Santa Claus, I can help you. But if you're struggling to believe that you could have a decent amount of equity in your home, I'm your girl. I'm your Santa girl. And DM me your address, and I'd be happy to send you a free market analysis on your home. No hassle. I'm not going to hassle you at all. I'll just send it to you, and if you have questions, you pick up the phone and call me. Okay, if you haven't met me yet, I'm Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent in and around Central Ohio, and I am obsessed with where I live and helping you make this place feel like your home. Follow along with all the fun things local, home, and fun. As always, we're in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.